Hey guys, today I'm going to show you 3 important reasons for you to start eating healthy today using shakes. Hey guys, and welcome back to Nutrition Edition. This is Jen, and I wanted to share with you today 3 reasons why you can start getting healthy just using shakes. It's very simple. New Year's is here. Everybody wants to do a resolution. I hate that word, but we're going to start really with one simple change, and we're going to start with shakes. Reason number 1, it's super easy to get started. You can start with your next grocery trip. It's so easy, you could do it in your sleep. No, not really. Go to the grocery store, pick out your favorite fruits and vegetables, and then place them into your cart. It is simple as that. Reason number 2, it is quick to make. Grab your fruits and vegetables, your nuts and seeds, your protein powder, and the sweetener of your choice, and just mix it all up. You might want to use a blender. She's so cute though. And reason number 3, good nutrition for your body. If you like what you saw today, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you can be part of the family. Let's do this together. And we'll see you next time. Bye.